Hey y'all, welcome back. It's been a little while, but today we're going to make a quick little add-on gift for a teacher. So we're going to use these hotel keychains. I was lucky enough to find those at the Dollar Tree, and we selected out the red, and my little helper's hands there are showing the tag again and just pointing out what we have. We're just going to clean this with some alcohol on both sides, getting it ready and prepped. Even though it was in the package, I just think it's a good idea to go ahead and wipe it down. So we'll get that done. Set the alcohol aside there. And we're going to need a couple things. We're going to need our transfer tape ready here. We've got our cut already, and we've got a name. So we're going to get that ready for the gift recipient. And then we'll be able to have it personalized. So I get this picked up on the transfer tape and get it placed. And my assistant has my Cricut scraper tool there. And this had a lot of static, it felt like, when I went to transfer it. So we had a hard time. Couldn't quite get right over it to make sure we're straight on here. So just a heads up, if you go to use these, they do have the little grooves on each end. And maybe my transfer tape was a little bit large, so just putting back there what didn't transfer there, and we'll get that on. Like I said, this was a pretty quick craft. We wanted to personalize it, but we had a sticker in mind that was really pretty, and it seems to suit this time of year for Valentine's as well as for a teacher. So you'll see here, we're just getting it ready. When stickers don't have that little edging around them, it makes it harder to get them off that paper. But we really liked this one and thought it would look good on there. So, and then my assistant's just going to kind of rub it. We didn't want to really burnish it because it could scratch it. So I'm just showing her there. Don't need to really scratch it. Just kind of rub on it and it should be good. So, and she was pretty excited with it. And as she said, if you like, please give a thumbs up and leave us a message down below in the comments and let us know what you thought of the idea here. So it'll be easy gift for Sunday school teacher, for a school teacher, pretty much anyone. So thank you for watching, and I do hope you have a wonderful day.